If you want to hide photos and videos on OPPO Reno 15, you can, for example, use the Photos app. In here, if you want to hide a photo or a video, you can, let's say, open a photo or a video, tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and choose the lock option, and then press OK. You might also need to set up a privacy password, so we can tap on Set Password. You can choose the password type that you want to use. There we go. You need to enter your privacy password twice. You can use your OPPO account to link it with the privacy password. So in case you forget the privacy password, you can use your OPPO account to recover the password. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to. You can use recovery email or question instead. In my case, I'm gonna set up a simple security question. And there we go. So now we're gonna just lock our photo just like that. And of course, if you want to, you can select multiple photos and videos at once. And you can just select all of these photos and videos that you want to hide, use the three dots in the bottom right corner and choose to lock them over here. There we go. Now if you want to open those hidden photos and videos, you can simply press and hold your finger on the photos or albums option, depending which one is currently selected. If you press and hold your finger, and then you can enter the privacy password, and then you have access to everything over here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.